Back to this YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to buy cheaper data bundles on Airtel Uganda. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem, the comment section is open. You can express all your ideas, provided that you follow the community guidelines. So let us start up our tutorial. But please guys, I request you to like this video, and I repeat, I request you to like the tutorial. So let us start up. First and foremost, open your phone in dialpad, and in your dialpad you're going to activate the dialpad. This tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So we are demonstrating how you can buy cheaper data bundles on Airtel Uganda. We are not promoting any misuse of the Airtel services. We are just promoting how you can buy cheaper data bundles on Airtel Uganda using money. But when the bundles are cheaper, that is it. So there star 100 hash, and then select any of your Airtel SIM card. If your Airtel SIM card is in SIM 1, choose SIM 1. If it is in SIM 2, choose SIM 2. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And in case you get any problem, the comment section is open. That is it. Call on Airtel and then give it some few seconds to load the USSD code. So you're going to choose option 0, which is my packer last, and then you're going to choose option 2, which is data packer last. And then by choosing this, you're going to be selecting any of the above data bundles. For example, you can select option 3, which is 1.5 GB, and that is 3K, and then then you can select how you're going to be paying for this. You can pay using Airtel money, you can pay using airtime, or you can pay using airtime auto renewal. But if you select option 3 and tomorrow you have the same amount of airtime, it will automatically be buying that data bundle. So I don't recommend you guys to be choosing that option unless otherwise when you want to be purchasing automatically that data bundle every day. That is it, and you are free to continue. By selecting Airtel Money, you'll be required to enter the Airtel Money PIN. Let us be meeting in the next tutorial. I'm Maris Tech, and I sign out.